Top 5 Best Roof Bike Rack. Best products for your lifestyle, handpicked for you. Number 5. INNO INNO-389 Universal Roof Rack for One Bike, Black. Midnight to 𝗕𝗂𝗏𝗲𝗏. Your bike deserves better than a rattling, wobbly ride, and the INNO INNO-389 delivers rock-solid security with zero compromise. 𝗕𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗲𝗍𝗏. Perfect for weekend warriors, commuters, or gravel explorers, this sleek black roof rack locks your single bike in place without touching the frame, preserving paint and components. 𝗕𝗁16 to 𝗕𝗁30. Unlike clunky fork mount systems that require wheel removal, the INNO-389's universal tire clamp grips any wheel size securely, adapting instantly from road tires to fat bikes. Its low-profile design cuts wind noise and boosts fuel efficiency, something most competitors overlook. 𝗕𝗁31 to 𝗕𝗁40. Installation takes seconds, just clamp, lock, and go. The integrated locking system deters theft, while padded contact points prevent scratches. 𝗕𝗁41 to 𝗕𝗁48. It won't magically fold your bike into your trunk, and heavy e-bikes may strain lighter roof racks, but for standard bicycles? Flawless. 𝗕𝗁49 to 𝗕𝗁52. Ride farther. Worry less. The INNO INNO-389 doesn't just carry your bike, it protects your passion. Number 4. Thule ProRide XT Roof Bike Rack. Thule ProRide XT doesn't just carry your bike, it treats it like royalty. Designed for serious cyclists and weekend warriors alike, this roof rack secures your frame without touching delicate components, thanks to its innovative frame-friendly clamp. Unlike cheaper racks that scuff paint or wobble at speed, the ProRide XT uses a torque-limiting mechanism for consistent, damage-free pressure. Its universal fit works with nearly any crossbar, and the integrated locking system deters theft while you're grabbing post-ride coffee. Loading is effortless, just lift, position, and tighten. You'll feel confident cruising down highways or navigating tight city streets, knowing your bike's safe and stable. Sure, it's pricier than basic models, and roof racks demand a bit more lifting strength than trunk mounts. But for riders who value precision, durability, and peace of mind, the ProRide XT delivers unmatched performance every single mile of the journey. Number 3. Swagman Upright Roof Mount Bike Rack. Your bike stays rock solid, even on the roughest roads, no wobble, no stress. Meet the Swagman Upright Roof Mount Bike Rack, engineered for cyclists who refuse to compromise. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a daily commuter, this rack secures your ride with precision, unlike flimsy clamp-style models that risk frame damage. Its upright design means zero contact with delicate components, just secure wheel trays and a stabilizing strap. Installation? Lightning fast, with tool-free adjustments that fit most crossbars. You'll spend less time loading, more time riding. Feel the confidence of a snug, vibration-free hold, mile after mile. While it's optimized for standard frames, riders with unconventional geometries might need a quick check for clearance. Built tough, designed smart, this isn't just transport, it's peace of mind on the open road. Ready to elevate your ride? The Swagman Upright doesn't just carry your bike, it protects your passion. Number 2. JOYTUTUS Aluminum Lockable Roof Rack Crossbars for Ford Explorer 2020 to 2026. Your Ford Explorer deserves a roof rack that's as tough as your adventures. Enter JOYTUTUS heavy-duty aluminum crossbars. Built for explorers, campers, and weekend warriors, these lockable crossbars deliver rock-solid security and seamless compatibility with 2020 to 2026 Explorers. Unlike flimsy aftermarket options, JOYTUTUS uses aerospace-grade aluminum that resists corrosion and handles up to 165 pounds, perfect for kayaks, bikes, cargo boxes, or snowboards. The integrated anti-theft locks mean your gear stays yours, even overnight. Installation? Tool-free, intuitive, and done in under 10 minutes. While they're engineered for Explorer-specific fitment, they won't work with factory-installed panoramic roofs, just verify your model first. Sleek, silent, and engineered for real-world demands, these crossbars turn your SUV into a true adventure machine. Stop compromising. Upgrade to strength, style, and peace of mind, wherever the road leads. Number 1. Yakima FrontLoader Rooftop Bike Rack for Cars and SUVs. Upbeat, confident 𝗕𝗁 begins. This isn't just a bike rack, it's your ticket to seamless adventure. The Yakima FrontLoader securely holds your bike by the wheels, eliminating frame contact entirely, a game changer over clunky fork mount designs. Perfect for cyclists who demand protection and convenience, it fits most bikes, including fat tires and step-through frames, without removing wheels. Installation is tool-free and lightning-fast on Yakima's crossbar system. Unlike racks that scratch, paint, or wobble at speed, the FrontLoader's robust construction delivers rock-solid stability, even on rough terrain. Feel the freedom of knowing your prized ride is safe, secure, and ready whenever inspiration strikes. While it requires compatible crossbars, sold separately, the peace of mind? Priceless. Whether you're chasing mountain trails or coastal routes, this heavy-duty carrier transforms your vehicle into a true adventure machine. No compromises, just pure riding joy. Thanks for watching Best Roof Bike Rack. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.